Hello, this is Alexander Green, Chief Investment Strategist with the Oxford Club. And what a year 2020 has been. It was a year of firsts in so many ways. First of all, we had a wonderful bull market starting in January, but as it became obvious that the coronavirus coming out of China not only wouldn't be contained, but couldn't be contained, of course, everything went right into the tank. We had the biggest economic contraction since the Great Depression. We had the fastest bear market in US history. And then, of course, that was followed by the fastest bull market. But there were other firsts along the way. We got record economic stimulus from the Federal Reserve, which not only took rates to zero, but bought hundreds of billions of dollars of bonds to further stimulate the economy. Washington stepped up, and even deficit hawks agreed that you have to deficit spend at a very tough time like this. And between the monetary stimulus and the fiscal stimulus and the fact that US businesses and businesses, frankly, around the world were marvelously adaptable to what happened with the coronavirus. People began working from home, students began learning remotely, and life went on to the best that we could, despite the health crisis and the economic crisis. So it's been a crazy year for equity investors, but it's been a good year because as I speak, the S&P 500 is up 20% for the year. And that's partly due to all that economic and fiscal stimulus, but it's also due to the fact that corporate profits have been better than expected. And I think that's going to continue as we go into 2021 because consumers are dying to get out and travel and spend and eat out and enjoy themselves, get back to normal. And the stock market's anticipating that. So I think that 2021 is going to be a very good year, especially because technology is changing our lives in so many ways for the better. People are living longer, healthier, safer, richer, freer lives than ever before because human ingenuity and technology and capital markets have come together to solve our most pressing problems. And of course, we'll always have problems, but there'll also always be money finding the solutions to those problems. So as an investor, you want to look for the companies that are solving the biggest problems. And that's what we're going to be talking about in 2021. So while I appreciate your viewing and listening and reading all year long, I hope you stick with me in 2021. It's going to be an interesting year. And you can do that with my newsletter, The Communique, but you can also sign up for my free e-letter, Liberty Through Wealth. Just click on the link below. It comes out daily. And I share all my views on the markets and interest rates and currencies and whatever's happening in the world. So I hope you'll continue to follow along. So I hope you have a happy new year, and I look forward to a happy, healthy, and prosperous 2021. Thanks so much.